we making today?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie?
Pumpkin bread.
Pumpkin bread.
My little pet squirrel.
So it's about 36 degrees here today in Buffalo, New York. Why are you eating flour?
I thought it was sugar.
Really, really simple. Start by preheating your oven to 350 and greasing and flouring a pan. We use a bundt pan. It makes it look like a pumpkin when you're done. But you can use any loaf pan, whatever you want. So, ingredients. 2 eggs, pumpkin pie spice.
Brown sugar I keep eating.
Brown sugar, vanilla extract.
Oh, I thought it was molasses.
No. Pumpkin, baking soda,
And salt.
salt,
And
and flour. Is there a particular reason why you have your foot on my countertop?
No.
Ew. And then also we have butter. We have melted butter. Butter going in. Can you put the brown sugar in for me, please? I need 2 eggs cracked into this bowl.
Okay, you're gonna have to use it. No, I'm gonna open it. How about you crack egg iron?
Okay. Do you know how to do that?
I just need to use it.
Okay, here. Look at that. Now hold it closed and turn it forward.
I would like some pumpkin pie.
Rodney. So Rodney is our goat friend that you guys might have seen out at the farm. Rodney lives with our Shetland pony, Gus, and we've become quite fond of Rodney. So we usually bring Rodney treats. Can you put the eggs in here for me, please? Careful. I love it. Mix this up.
I am out. I am in.
Brown sugar, butter, eggs,
And
vanilla. We forgot the vanilla. And we mix. Whoa, you don't want it to plop in there. Now you're gonna mix this up again. Once that's mixed up, you're gonna mix all your dry ingredients together. So come on over here, you're gonna put your pumpkin pie spice in, and your baking soda, and your salt. Hopefully, when you guys make this, you won't have these fingers going into it. Of course, maybe that's our secret ingredient. Gentle, gentle.
Gentle is not a secret ingredient.
So once you've got all of the dry ingredients mixed together, you're just gonna go ahead and add them to your wet ingredients, to your pumpkin and your brown sugar and all that good stuff.
And butter.
And butter. And then you're going to pour it into your pan. Voila. So tasty, so festive. Yes, ma'am. Lock and load first, though, please. Are you okay?
I meant to do that.
Okay. So you're gonna put your batter in your pan, cook it at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes, and voila, super festive pumpkin bread.